to the presentation of our project, our little overview. First thing you're going to be greeted by is a login page. We don't have a login yet, so we're going to go sign up. Come to the sign in. Let's type test3 at test as our username. Test3 is our name. Password for the password, and password to confirm our password. There we go. Login sign up successful. So now we're going to go type in test3 at test.com and password to see the default view. This is what a new user will see: an empty blank calendar, a list view that's empty, and just one default category, since a user has to have at least one category to put their tasks in. If you ever try and delete the only category, it will not allow the user. So let's actually start by adding a task. Let's add in a Christmas one. On Christmas, completed, and default category. Task added successfully. You add it, and it's right there. And if we go to the calendar view, it shows immediately. What we can also do, well, let's add another category, for example. Let's call this Thanksgiving. And let's just say Thanksgiving task. Category added successfully. Press OK. It'll appear right here. If I press Thanksgiving right now, apply filter, there's going to be no Thanksgiving things found. But if we do default category, it's there. If we're going to check it, let's go back to default. So let's add another thing. Let's just add turkey. Let's go to the 31st. Let's say it's overdue because it's 31st, and Thanksgiving. Just like that. We now have two different categories. So we can also edit tasks. Let's say we wanted to rename it to properly spelling Christmas. Let's just set it to the 26th. Let's change the default category to Thanksgiving. Let's put pending for this. Press OK. Just like that. Changes there. Changes here too. 26th, Christmas. You know, you can also click on it. You'll see the task status and the category it's in. If we come over here and say we want pending only, it'll show you pending only. If you want pending and overdue, it'll show you that. If you want Thanksgiving that are pending, it'll show you that. If you want Thanksgiving that are complete and pending, there's no completed ones, but that's there. Now, what happens if we try and delete the category that they already belong to? If you go delete it, make sure you want to delete the category Thanksgiving. Press yes because we want to, or OK. Category successfully deleted, and these get updated just like that. Now these are both just the default category. We can also delete tasks themselves. Let's delete the make turkey. So you want to permanently delete tasks? Yep. And you press OK. Come back to the calendar view. It's also there. It's also gone. And if we come on Christmas, it's now changed to default category too. Another feature you can do is if you come over to and click, if you come up to the top left and you click here, you can simply go to a user's profile. It's very bare bones, but for the profile, we can change the user's actual name. Let's call them test2 and save changes, just like that. Update is successful. If we try and go to a different, if we try and change our email to a user that already exists, like test2 at test.com, email already in use. So we're going to stay at test3. If you come to the analytics page, very simple. It'll just show you how many complete tasks you have, pending tasks, overdue tasks, and then the last time this was updated. So the moment we go back in this top left, it'll change to test2, just like that. And that is all the features. Oh, one more thing. Let's add a task. Let's say, let's just type in random letters here, CHRA, and select a date because it's going to require us to. If we start typing in Christmas, at first they'll both be there, but the moment I type another letter, they're gone. If I type in AS, it'll start looking at the back here for these back two letters. There is a search. This only searches task names. Yeah, that is pretty much all the features to our project.